Mental health is not something to be taken lightly, nor should it be made fun of, especially in these trying times of the pandemic. Spurring the stigma of mental illnesses as conditions that are abnormal should be stopped. Anxiety is serious. Emotional distress is serious. And so, how do you make yourself aware of the importance of mental wellness to an individual, and how does one take care of their mental health? Here are 5 tips on how to improve your mental wellness. Tip number 1. Listening to music. Don't you ever feel like you're in a completely different world when you're listening to music? Tuning into music is like an escapism from the troubles of the real world and help you temporarily forget all of the stress and repair your mind and soul. Tip number 2. Sleep well. Sleeping is as important as eating, drinking, and breathing. Having enough sleep, preferably 8 hours a day, helps the brain function at its best. It is connected to mental health in a way that having a good sleeping schedule minimizes overthinking and improves focus, as well as better decision-making skills. Tip number 3. Develop time management skills. As a student and as a working adult, this is very much relevant because while individuals work through their tasks, they also juggle the stress, criticism, and negativity that come along with the said activities. So, it is very vital to have a schedule or an organizer to minimize stress and for tasks to be accomplished smoothly. Tip number 4. Connect with people. Whenever you are feeling down and you think all of the stress compiling within you are too much to handle, never forget to connect with your support system and re-energize yourself socially, emotionally, and mentally. And tip number 5, practice being grateful. Try to start your day by realizing the blessings you receive by writing them in affirmation cards or in your journal, and in those ways, you could focus more on the positives of life and what life gave you and what it could give you in the future. Remember, it is okay to not be okay, but it is not okay to continue on dwelling on things that you are stressed or troubled with. It is also important to learn on how to combat these inner battles and have the will and determination to improve your mental health. But whenever you feel that your emotions and problems are too much to handle and you have no one else to talk to, remember that here at Frontito Medical Center, we do care.